Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Ms. Karuna Nagpal, Principal of Aurobindo International School, Jaipur, emphasized the importance of embracing AI as a tool to enhance teaching efficiency, noting how it can help teachers tailor lessons and save time. She also highlighted the need for training programs to help both educators and students adapt to this new technology. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Ms. Karuna Nagpal had to say.
So we have with us a very special guest. She is Ms. Karuna Nagpal, Principal, Aurobindo International School, Jaipur. So welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your
Thank you.
experience being here at the 24th Education Summit?
It has been a wonderful experience.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we come to such kind of events, we come across various educators, so we exchange ideas and
Mm-hmm.
then talking about the topic. It's a very important topic nowadays that we should discuss at a length so that we could plan out the things how to move ahead with utilization of these resources in our
Mm-hmm.
institutions. So I think it has been a great learning and a wonderful session for us.
That's great, ma'am. With educators like you coming to, our summit, we have, increased value of the summit here. So thank you, ma'am. And, the kind of energy you carry, I'm sure your students will be all delighted seeing you in the morning. So, how do you keep your teachers motivated to, get on the challenges of today and also getting friendly with the technology, especially AI or robotics? So, what are some some uh, things you do at your school you should, share with your peer group?
See, we have moved on from an era of
Hmm.
writing the letters to emails to coming to computers, and now it is AI. It
Hmm.
is everywhere. It is there in our mail. It is there in our WhatsApp. So how can we stay away from it? So I always tell teachers to keep
Hmm.
themselves a level up than the
Hmm.
category of the students they are catering to,
Right, right.
because everything is available just a click away for the for every child.
Hmm.
But that we have to ensure that we are going to deliver something which is
Hmm.
extraordinary to them. So I tell teachers that they should utilize this AI to such a way and to such an extent that it is going to structure the things for them, and then they can add a personalized touch to it, but it will make the things much more easier for them, and it will save lot of time in
Hmm.
whatever things we are handling.
Right, absolutely. So we today in the time we talk about inclusive classrooms. So what do you think are the key challenges to, making a classroom interactive, and how can we overcome them?
See, here is a very important question that you have added on as inclusion. AI gives us a very easy opportunity to
Hmm.
cater to the different type of learners sitting in the class.
Right.
We have various learners where they need different level of attention, different level of catering through the worksheets and the question papers.
Hmm.
So I feel that it becomes very tedious. It was a very tedious job earlier.
Hmm.
The teacher has to modify the questions as per the requirement of the child. But
Right.
now with AI, teacher can reshuffle,
Hmm. Hmm.
form her question paper very easily, catering to the academic level of every child. In this way, inclusion becomes very easy.
Hmm.
Teachers do not face any challenge, and they welcome such children in the class.
Right, absolutely. And what are your thoughts on hybrid model of technology, like in face of whether say pollution or hawks bomb calls and multiple n number of things, the school days are getting disturbed, and then comes the online classes. So in somehow it is helping the overall scenario. But do you think hybrid model is going to stay, or how it
It
is?
is. It is going to stay,
Mm-hmm.
because if you talk to children, they are always connected to
Hmm.
each other, and that means they are connected not only personally through the this hybrid mode only. So
Hmm.
we also feel that now, if because of the cold school gets over, we
Hmm.
do not panic, and we
Right.
schedule the classes, and it
Hmm.
takes just a few minutes to inform, and the children are all ready in the
Hmm.
uniform as they used to get ready for their school. So it is a great help, and I strongly believe that hybrid
Hmm.
model should be followed. It is not necessary that we have to
Hmm.
move to a particular place. If we need an extra class for 2 hours, it is not necessary the child should come. We can even cater to 5 children who are very weak in the class.
Right.
We can also give attention to the children who are doing extraordinary well, and we can help them out through this hybrid mode. It saves lot of time, it saves lot of energy, and teachers are also very comfortable, and they very willingly give their hand holding to the children.
That's great, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, and we are delighted to have you here.
Thank you. It was likewise.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.